on the shoulders represents professional responsibility towards the people. It tapers down to the chest as a symbol of love and compassion and sincerity in the practice of the profession. The cap. With a tassel that hangs on its side, symbolizes knowledge, good judgment, and wisdom.